Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I provide you with the latest hacks and tips on how to improve your social media game. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete all comments on Facebook at once in English. So, if you're tired of deleting comments one by one, then keep watching. Log into your Facebook account using your computer. Go to the Activity Log by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Facebook page and selecting Settings and Privacy, then click on Activity Log from the menu. Click on the Interactions button on the left side of the page and select Comments from the list of options. You will now see all the comments you've made on Facebook. Click on the checkbox to select all the comments that you want to delete. Once you have selected all the comments, click on the Remove button on the top right corner of the page. Click Remove again to confirm that you want to delete the selected comments. And that's it. You have successfully deleted all the selected comments on Facebook. Remember, once you delete a comment, you cannot get it back. So make sure you want to delete it before proceeding.